In this video, I'll show you how to delete all emails from a specific email address on Outlook. So as you can see, here's sender Elementor, and now I want to delete all emails for these email accounts. So I'm going to right clicking on any of the account email, and here just hovering on rules and clicking on always move messages from, and then you'll directly jump into these rules and alerts page. Here you have to expand your email account and then just select the trash folder and then just click on OK. And after that, all emails from the specific sender will be deleted on your Outlook. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.